How to post music on Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can post music on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to post music on Spotify, you need to have a Spotify artist account. And in order to sign up for Spotify artist account, you have to simply open up your browser and then simply go to artist.spotify.com. I repeat, artist.spotify.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. And once I have done that, you'll be able to set this type of interface where first of all you have to log into your normal Spotify account. Then just go ahead and tap the three lines option there. Tap on the Get Access tab over here, and you have to first of all claim your artist profile, which is artist or manager or label team member. So I will select artist or manager over here. Once I've done that, it will send me claim an artist profile, so I can tap on claim artist profile. Make sure that this is the correct Spotify account. Tap on next. Just search for the artist that you're trying to claim here, and once you claim a Spotify artist, your artist account will get approved, and then now you can start posting music on Spotify. But you need to have an artist account, as I said. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.